Hey fellow Dota fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn slithering tokens for the newly added event called Crownfall in Dota 2. To do so, you first need to open your Dota 2 via the Steam client and then click on Act 1, which is right over here, which will bring up the homepage for the newly added event. So to earn slithering tokens, you first need to know which heroes give you slithering tokens upon wins. To do that, all you need to do is click on this slithering icon right here. These are the heroes that will give you 1 slithering token upon wins. And Naga Siren will give you 2 slithering tokens upon wins. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!